there are 1,000 ways to create AI images, but rarely ones which have high quality, high detail product image output, and also ones that are simple and easy to use. And I found a way that I've been using since months now, which is so simple and at the same time really, really good when it comes to product details and nuances, which I want to show you. And it works within 30 seconds. So I will walk you through 4 easy steps. You can here see 2 example outputs. It was just one prompt, really easy, and the output has been really nice. So follow along. I show you the 4 steps, and this will be really easily set up. So first thing is your product image. Really simple. You get a high quality product image. Best is a transparent product image like these 2 here, where you don't have anything in the background. They also work if there are some other things in the background, but best is to have a clean product image. There are also AI tools out there who can create the transparent images like this. So this is your foundation. Next, step 2 is, before we create the product image, we need to get the prompt right. And this is something where I see many people struggling to get the prompt right, but the best thing is to let an AI create the prompt because they speak the same language. So you go to ChatGPT or whichever AI tool you're using and you're briefing what you want to create. And I will do this with you right now. So you go, for example, to ChatGPT. Let's say we want to create an image like the second one, or let's go even a step further. We have here the speaker. We don't know what we want to do, so we simply tell it AI. I use Whisperflow to dictate. This is a tool which I can highly recommend. So I press just a key on my keyboard and then I say, I want to create product images with AI for a mobile speaker. Your goal is 5 variables where a speaker can be used so that I can decide which scenarios to choose. Start now and give me the brief descriptions. So now we then can choose which scenario we want to have. Okay, first one is mobile speaker placed on sand near a towel or sunglasses, golden hour, house party. Yeah, I think let's go with this one. All right, so now you ask it to generate the prompt, and best thing is you know exactly which image module you are using. Now this is in the next step, so I will already give you the preface of it. From all image models that I have tested, the best one is 𝗃𝗵𝗄. I will show you where and how you can use it. If you tell ChatGPT to generate the prompt, it's always best to tell it exactly for which model, so that already it knows how the prompt structure is working and what to do with certain modules. I want to go with scenario 3, and your task is now to create a prompt for the text-to-image model 𝗃𝗵𝗄 4.5 and give me an accurate prompt description. This prompt description shall be highly realistic and it shall look like taken from an iPhone. It should be really natural. It should have UGC style and also should model an amateur image that anyone can take with their phone. So these are some descriptions I like to add to make sure that it's not too polished, too perfect, which AI images tend to be. Right now, it did not catch really the exact name of the module, so I will simply state to start again for the module 𝗃𝗵𝗄 4.5. All right. Something like this happens. We go with the flow. This is something, of course, I'm now explaining. It will take a little bit longer for you to watch here, but when you do it yourself, it's really quickly. Okay, now let's simply go with what it put out. All right, so you copy this. Then you go to a website called 𝗃.ai. This is a site where you can use nearly every image module, video module, audio module, like all AI modules that are nearly out there. You can use it on this platform. How it works is you simply give it $10, $20 credits, whatever you're using, and then you can use it on a usage. So if you go to explore and then view all modules, you can see here the structure. Usually you would go with text to image modules because you have a text input and you want to have an image as output. In this case, because we have already a product image, we will choose an image to image module because the input is text but also an image. So for this you can find under here image to image, you can find 276 modules which you can use. We already now know what we want to use, so we simply type it in, which is 𝗃𝗵𝗵𝗶 edit. This one here, image to image, you can see. You click on this. And here under prompt, you paste the prompt in which you have copied. Now here, you click on add image. Simply upload the image you want to have, delete the ones which are here in on default. And now under more, we can tell the module which output we would like to have. So the image size, you can see 4K, 2K, you can give it custom image sizes here or like square. Let's say square now, or you can also say 9:16 for stories, whatever you want. All right, so we choose Square HD. Then we can tell it how many images it shall generate for us. How I'm usually doing it is I let it generate 1 or 2 images, and if the output is fine, then I pump it up and let like 4 or 6 images to get the best result. Let's say 2, and that's it basically. Now, under this preview here, you will always see what the charge will be per image. In this case, it's 4 cents. Really cheap. You click on run and then you wait. 𝗃𝗵𝗵𝗶 is quite a slow module. It takes 45 to 90 seconds. I would say 30 to 40 seconds per image. Now we want to have 2 images, so it may take a little bit. But because of its longer duration, it also generates a higher quality output. So we'll be patient and we'll wait for the outcome. So now here we are. This is the output. You can click on it, then you can see it in a higher resolution. You can download it here. You can also make a right click and save it. And here you can see it has a really high quality output. When it comes to the details, also something like the shadow looks really, really good. You can see all of your generations and requests here, but I will now generate one more with the beer bottle, because then I can show you how clear and precise it is with the details. So now here is the image. Maybe you have already seen it. This is one of the toughest tasks for AI, because here we have firstly a lot of text. You probably noticed that text is oftentimes really messed up, and you have really, really fine details, which usually also comes out as simple mess. Here in this image, text perfect. Also lighting, shadow, you can see here how the lighting behind the bottle is and how here it changes, how the golden glow from the light looks really natural, how this here is darker, how the details here from the engraving in the glass bottles is kept, and how even if not perfect, but the general outlines here of the details are also looking really, really closely. If one looks at this for 20-30 seconds, of course there are details that can be recognized, but I assume that this level of details is not the case for most products. And even if it is, the upside of having so many images is so much greater. And therefore, 𝗀dreams is, from my experience, like the perfect tool. It is so easy to use. It is so great when it comes to the outcomes. And the last step simply is, like step 3 was to go to 𝗃𝗏𝗂𝗧. Step 4 is to test and iterate. Find out what's working. Find out where there are nuances missing in the prompt and add it then on. Find out how you can increase the natural looking outputs from the image by testing with prompts. And if you found like a general prompt, let's say it is fine like this, what you want to do, then simply you can go up here, up to 6 images per request, and then have 6 different images and then decide which ones looks the best for you. So really simple, straightforward. From my experience, like high quality. There are multiple product images that we are using for our graphics, and this is one of like a lot of simple automations with AI that you can create. If you want to learn more simple workflows for advertisers, then subscribe to the channel.